Hello everyone. Now in today's video, I'll make you understand and make you differentiate between the commands, the motion commands we use in robots. Like we are using go, jump, and move command in our robot programming. So what is the difference between them? How can you make a difference? How can you decide which command you are going to use in your program? Suppose I am showing you this simulator example in front of your screen. The robot is moving. See the type of motion it is using. Now it is going in a straight line from point 1 to point 8. Now it is using reference point 1 to reference point 2, then reference point 3. So what is the difference between these movements? That we will understand through the video today. So now I'll make you understand what is go command, what is jump, and what is move. So as you have seen in this program, there are go command, go P1. You are asking robot to go to P1. So robot is standing its home position, it will directly go to P1. Then you ask to go P8. It will use some angular motion and go to P8. And when you are move to P1, it will use a straight line to go to P1 again. But when you are using jump, you have to give starting reference point, midpoint, and destination point. So here I have given P1 as a starting point, P2 as midpoint, and P3 is destination point. So robot will use interpolation movement to go to reference point to destination point, midpoint as a reference. So robot will use some tomb type movement like this, like cursor is moving. So it will jump up, go to point, destination point, up to jump up to midpoint, then go to destination point. So this is our basic some differences that I will show you by simulating the robot. Now as you have seen in the simulation, the robot is going to P1. See, now it is using a straight line from P1 to P8. When robot is given move command, it moves in a straight line. It will sketch a straight line if you put pencil on its tool. So from point P1 to P8 it will put a straight line. But when you are using jump command, it is going to P1, then P2, then P1, P8 to P2 and P1. That you will see in now robot is running at this line. Now robot is going go P8. So robot is using this arc motion. Whenever you use go command, it will draw a arc. It will draw a arc. Whenever you use move, it will draw a straight line. But when you use jump, it will take from point 1 to reference point to destination point. That I make you understand by one, line wise. See, it is going running on this command, move P8 wali this command, and it is waiting for 0.1 second. Then using P8 to P2, then P1. So P8 is reference point, P2 is midpoint, and P1 is destination point in this command. Then it will go use go command. See, the robot will move in arc. See, Robot is moving in arc motion. Little bit arc motion. Now P1, again P1 to P2, and then P3, and P3 to P2, and then P1. So this is how these commands have differentiation between them. So according to your application, according to your need, you can use any of these commands for the motion of robot. So in this today's video, uh, I think you have got clear concept of types of motion in robot programming. So please don't forget to like or subscribe my video. Thank you.